you know how you want to be early to crypto? Well, this is super early. This protocol just launched, and it's not another meme coin. Rather, this is a SocialFi app called Tribe Tech. Now, SocialFi is basically a exchange sort of mix with social dynamics. So think of if you could buy tokens in your favorite Twitter influencers, your favorite traders, your favorite celebrities, and those tokens trade up and down. And if you own those tokens, that gives you certain access to the character. You can talk with them in a group. In this case, with Tribe, you can join their tribe. If you buy the Chiefs token, you can join his tribe. We will be checking this out right now. Now, I didn't get involved in Frentech and I didn't get involved in others, but I'm very curious about that because obviously SocialFi is the future, right? Anything that can be touched by speculation and gambling will be, especially something as exciting as crypto Twitter. So I definitely see that going in that direction. But every application we've seen so far has been nothing but a flash in the pan. So you've had Friend Tech and now this Tribe Tech. I'm not sure that whether or not Tribe Tech can actually go the distance, but I do know that it's not worth fading it. It's worth checking it out. You know, trying around, feeling my way around, and then getting hopefully an airdrop out of it. So that's kind of what we're looking at today. Tribe Tech, just giving a rundown of the technology, how it works with the invite, so that you can get started, maybe play around a little bit, feel it out, and see where social media meets meme coin casino. It's very exciting. Now on the Tribe Tech in Tribe.run info page, right? I'm calling it Tribe Tech. It's not Tribe Tech. And I used so it's using referral codes is a very so I used Arya's invite link to join. Arya is a fantastic friend on the internet friend. I hope to meet him in real life soon. And now I got to go buy my own tokens. You got to buy your own tokens at the beginning. I don't really tell you how it works or what it does. So I wanted to buy 420 uh you know tokens, which was about 0.56 Solana. So I'm trading on Solana and I'm looking for I'm looking to get that amount of tokens into my account on the Tribe.run. But that was a bit too much. I think if you want to play with it, you can go a lot lower. Obviously, these things have a barrier to entry. But remember, a lot of people playing with these protocols, they bought Sol at around $8, $10, $15. So for them, they're happy to play around with some Sol, especially if it leads to an airdrop. Right? As you can see, they also allow you to buy with credit card. It's super convenient for the normies to come in, moonshot style, right? This is moon pay that allows you to buy. Obviously, they take a markup, so don't buy Sol with a credit card. Rather buy through an exchange, and then you can play with it here. But that's the idea, to make it very easy to get people, get Sol, get inside here, and then you have to buy your own token. So that's step one. Step one here is to create your tribe. Now, I don't know if I agree with that way of building it, because not everyone wants to be a chief of a tribe and have their own token. Some people just want to come in and speculate on other people. This makes every single person a chief, right? So this is an interesting way of building it. But it's worth checking out. It's worth trying out because, as I said, all the SocialFi aspects come later. So now I keep trying to add Sol to my wallet. It's not ideal. I need to stream like I'm doing. Now I'm going to delete this because I'm too far in. But I know exactly what I need to do from now. I know exactly what I need to do from now. Now we're buying Sol with I don't buying Sol. We're transferring Sol into this account, right? I need to have Sol. I need to be able to buy 420 tokens of my own token. So I keep trying to get the 420. And it's interesting to, while I'm doing the 420, I'm moving it fast or speed up through this process because the 420 is what I want to buy my own token on this Tribe Tech, right? By the time I get the 420, I'll make it create a price for everyone else to buy my token. And look how fast Solana is. Like I'm going, bam, I see I'm missing some. Sent, bam, Solana in the account. So it's super quick. Now, the fact that this is not custodial, this is custodial, right? That's a little bit, offy to me. Like, can't you create this on chain? Like, why do I have to deposit into your wallet? But that's a problem, I think, around Solana now. Like, all the bots that you have, all the trading bot, they're all custodial, right? So it seems like people care less about giving up a little moon dust, a few soul, right? Custody of a few soul to these platforms, right? Because who knows, these guys can rug you. They have my soul now. So that's another big red flag. So I would be careful before that. But I'm creating my token. Thanks to you, Arya. We are now minting my token. It's almost there. It's almost there. Who's going to buy? I can almost see my chat. Chat. Start the chat. Let's start that chat. And the chat window pops up. Very laggy. By the way, 95 Windows sort of style. I love it. But it's definitely not going to talk to, those Gen Zers. They don't understand what this is. They don't get the nostalgia. So you've built this for balding millennials that are trading shit coins, right? And not the Gen Zs, not the TikTok generation. It's also got a stream function that you can check out. Lags and bugs. So you just got to watch out for that. And now I want to go buy Arya's coin because Arya referred me. So I'm going to buy Arya's coin. And then I'm going to go later and look on the exchange. I'm going to buy one more coin. I'm going to see how I can trade these up and down. I'm hodling Arya because Arya's giving alpha around the world, spreading love in all these chats. So Arya is someone I'm bullish on. So I'm going to go with his token. Obviously, he referred me as well. And then if you want to check out the social graph, you can see who referred Arya and move around and sort of understand the social graph based on those referrals. If you're checking on chain, you can actually see that I minted Ari coin right there. So there is on chain reference, but not custody. This is how the game works, right? You have a certain amount of tokens that you need in order to be in the tribe. Only 12 people in the tribe, and I need to pay him a subscription fee once a week to stay in the tribe, right? So, uh, that's kind of harsh right now, the subscription fee. So you can see later on, I deleted my subscription fee. I'm also making comments here. I'm going to try and get to learn how it works, see if any of the chats actually add value. It's very expensive. You need to get 10 tokens from most of the other players in the game. Like, it's very expensive to get those 10 tokens to be part of the tribe. So for Arya here, I can see his tribe. I can see he's on his team, and I'm going to check them out as well. Obviously, very very laggy, buggy UX. So be careful with that. I want to see this person that invited Arya. I can see at the top. You can see the chart, right? The graph of the price action of that token. Now the 95 Windows UX hits it again here. It's not your target audience. Your target audience needs to be. Some of them don't even understand the historic significance of Windows 95. But then you can see everyone. You can see on, like, sort of transparently what they've bought, what they've sold. You can see kind of people's transactions over here, and certain characters are pumping on this token. So this is what in store for for Tribe. Here is the leaderboard. You can see that some of these guys are trading for one sol a token, which means to get into the tribe, you're going to need a lot of tokens, right? And this is sort of, it's right hand scratches, left hand situation, because a lot of these people are in a cabal anyways. I'm looking for the value plays a little bit cheaper, and I love Sammy Mocha for his AR post, right? This is someone with, kind of, when the AI hype hits back, everyone's going to be checking Sammy Mocha's thread. So I'm going to buy myself some Sammy Mocha. Let's see how that performs down the line. Also, if you have any ideas on how to play this game, let me know, because I am not a master in this whatsoever, in trading people. Like, that is such a different, scope to, any other asset class. Really, but at the bottom line, it comes down to attention. How can you buy, sell, monetize attention?